Hello everyone. So finally I'm going to install all this in the car. This is a 2ZZ swapped MR2 Spyder. Uh, so the idea behind this is to make a bumper exit without any fabrication, plug and play. So what I did is I selected the monkey wrench 2ZZ swap manifold. This will be installed in the car, and then I will install the CHE test pipe, and then I will install this GP Sport muffler. I think they call it Exazivation. I got it from Japanese auction. So this will be installed in the car. Supposed to be installed with this piece of pipe. So what I will do is, so this piece of pipe with the resonator supposed to come here. So what I'll do is I will not use this. I will cancel it, and instead I made this custom pipe that will go here, and then I got this 90 degrees pipe that will go, supposed to go like this. This will go inside this, and then I can rotate it and then tighten it here as per my liking, or as per the fitment inside this crash part, and it's supposed to come in the middle of the bumper here somewhere. So I'm not sure about this. This is the idea. So we will install the parts now. This is the condition of the car right now. There is one manifold here. This is a silica manifold that was cut down, and then they installed the 1ZZ manifold in it. If you can see, there is a welding here, so, and it's very thin compared with the MWR manifold. So I remove this, and we'll do the installation. So in addition to the exhaust part, I am installing this Costco brace with the Costco some rigidity part for the rear suspension, and this is skid racing rear camber arms, or they call them lower trailing arms. So I already installed I already installed like this side. I will do the other side later. So let's see. And I already installed the inserts here from Powerflex. Just manifold installed. Those two bolts here, they are very tight, so you cannot get the torque wrench inside, so I just used my brain. Those three was easy. So this is the primary oxygen sensor. This is the secondary one. This is supposed to be bolted in the test pipe. However, they recommend that you close this and bolt this at the beginning of the test pipe, and this at the end of the test pipe, to get the most out of the 2ZZ. So anyways, but I don't have an option now, so I will keep it here for the time being. It's nicely done from Monkey Wrench. The quality is awesome. So I'm connecting here the CHE test pipe. The thing is, they came with these gaskets, and they are well known to fail. In the red Spyder, I made those custom gaskets from that gasket sheet, the thick one. So you need a thicker one, but anyways, I have no option now, only to use this. But if I have the option, it will be a thicker gasket to hold this. So test pipe installed. We'll go for the muffler next. Okay, so far I reached this stage. The CHE test pipe installed, the muffler installed. So here, this part, it's supposed to go like this. This should be connected here at the back, like this. Anyways, it's not going inside. Okay, this actually supposed to go like this. It's very heavy, so this should be here, and the tailpipe should go under the bumper. So what I will do is I will cancel this piece, and let me put it here. And what I will do is I will come back. Okay, so instead of that whole extension, what I will do is I will use these two pieces. Okay, so this piece will come here, and then ouch, this piece will be like this. So let me paint this thing black and fix them. Okay, so I installed the custom pipe that I made. As you notice, it's here, and I added this elbow like a 90 degrees pipe, and as you see I can rotate it to the degree that I want, and then I can tighten it from here and it will stay. So I will go ahead and add the crash bar, and let us see. So I'll zoom out. So as you see, I tightened the screw. It's okay now. However, I need to tighten it more. As you see, I can rotate it. So I'll keep it in the middle, and I believe yes, I believe just this, yeah. It's fixed now. So let's see how it looks after installing the bumper. So at least now we know that GP Sport, if you remove the second extension, you just make a 90-degree long pipe and it will stick out very easy. It's not touching here in the back. It's close, but it's not touching. It's not touching here. It's not touching anywhere. So this is the final look before keeping the bumper. I removed the plate bracket as I don't need it. The question is, will I still be using the plates number light? I'm not sure. So I'll put the bumper, it's above the Z here, so everything seems good. So finally, bumper installation is done. It came out pretty neat actually. So I forget about the plate number lights here. So what I did is, let me open the light. So what I did is I made those holders to hold the wires, and one here. So now I think I have this part to install. So I need to prepare the car for an autocross that we will have after 3 weeks. So wish me good luck. By the way, I know you want to hear the exhaust, so I will fire up the car and shoot a video. So this is the final look of the bumper exit. As you noticed, I added a tip. It's not titanium, some AliExpress tip. However, the challenge is, the thing is that this extension elbow, it's keep going, it moves, so it's not a good idea. I believe I should fabricate a new elbow that is solid and then put the tip on it. The tip only move left and right, but not up and down, which is a good thing. So I will start up the car now. I hooked up the battery.